Hi, Chase. I'm just recording Zachary eating loud. What you eating?
Goldfish.
Hey, Chase. Chase, how old is Zachary?
I'm 2.
His birthday was yesterday, huh?
Yes, me. Every 22.
That's right. And what are you going to turn on your birthday?
4.
How old?
4.
4? But you're just how old now?
3.
Yeah.
I'm going to be 4 years old.
That's right. Zachary's a loud eater, huh?
Me.
You?
Do me, Mom. Do me.
Hey, you. All right, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Zach.
Bye, Dad. Mommy, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Mom? What are you doing? Mom, what are you doing?
Listening to Zach. He's loud.
He's calling loud.
Hi, Zach.
Bye, Zach.
Hey, Zachary.
Mommy, Mommy,
Yeah?
what's that return to? When he turned
How old did he turn yesterday?
2.
That's right. It was his birthday yesterday.
I'm going to. I'm going to turn 2.
How old are you going to be?
4.
Uh-huh. That's right.
Well, I'm just right now.
How old are you right now?
3.
Yep.
Mommy, what's Zachary doing?
He eats so loud all the time. So I was going to record it.
Zachary got your foot, Mom?
Hey.
Did Zachary got Did he got his foot?
He eats everything so loud. He's a loud eater.
Zachary?
Yep.